Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website without installing a single plugin. This method is fast, lightweight, and keeps your site running smoothly. First, you need your WhatsApp number in the international format. Start with your country code, then your phone number. For example, if your number is +1 234567890, that's exactly what you'll use. Next, create your WhatsApp link using this format. https://wa.me/your number. If you want, you can even add a pre-filled message like this. https://wa.me your number. Text. Hello, I want to know more. This makes it easier for visitors to start a conversation instantly. Once your link is ready, it's time to embed it. You can add it anywhere on your website, inside posts, pages, or even in the header or footer. Just use a simple HTML snippet like this. Chat with us on WhatsApp. If you want it to look like a button, you can add some CSS styling. For example, give it padding, a background color, rounded corners, and a hover effect. That's it. Your visitors can now click the button and start chatting directly on WhatsApp, improving engagement and making your website more interactive. And there you go. In just a few steps, you've added a fully functional WhatsApp button to your WordPress site without relying on plugins. Try it out and see how much easier it is for people to reach you.